Alright, today I'm trying a new shore spot on the river that I drove past the other day because I had to detour from a bunch of construction. It looked like a really good section of the river, and I usually have pretty good luck catching smallies from the shore. So I only have about an hour today to give this new spot a chance, so let's see what we can find. I have no idea what the shoreline looks like. I'm just hoping it's not super shallow and I can get on the water's edge. I just spotted down the shore a bunch of birds swooping the water. They could be eating insects, so that may be a good spot to try for some smallies. Let's head over there. There we go. What do we got here? Oh yeah. All right, we found one. On the jig. Look at that. Beautiful smallmouth. Thank you for biting, buddy. Well, you might have seen that I lost that OG Slim 6 pretty much immediately over there, so I tied on the swim jig, paired it with one of those Crush City craws. This is I think it's the Alabama color, so green pumpkin, a little bit of dark blue. Didn't take long, catch a smallie with it. just lifting it out. Just lifting it out, and it hit it right at the shore. There we go. Oh, it's off already. Oh, they're hungry though. A couple bites. Just not taking that whole bait. Can't get the hook set in them. There we go. That feels like a better one. Easy, buddy. That's a nice fish. Wasn't letting you off. Beautiful bass. Love that red eye color. All right, let's get you back. Oh, I was just reeling super fast. One hit it right here. Well, that's all the time I have today, but for a new shore spot and limited time, I'll call that a success, picking up a few fish and some additional bites. It's a beautiful stretch of the river that isn't too busy. I think I may come back here at some point. If you like this one, hit the like and subscribe for more fishing adventures. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.